Every day we all search online. Homework, recipes, business advice, or health tips. But have you noticed how confusing it can get? Hundreds of results and no clear answer. We waste time on too many pages. Some blogs are old, some answers don't feel right. You just want a clear, useful answer that you can trust. What if you could ask one question and get the best and correct answer fast with proof? Welcome to Perplexity AI, your smart internet helper. No guessing, no fake info. Type your question in plain English like best healthy breakfast or cricket score today. In second, you will get the answer and also the sources to check yourself, like chatting with a smart friend who does all the hard work for you. Saves your time. No more endless scrolling. You can trust the answer because it's so you that proof from student to homemakers, job seekers to business owners. Everyone can get smart help for everyday questions. Child science homework? Compare ticket prices? Know today's cricket news or festival date? Just ask Perplexity AI, find the latest with proof from trusted site. Go to the Perplexity AI site or app. Type your question in simple English. Child science homework? Compare ticket prices? Know today's cricket news or festival date? Just ask Perplexity AI, find the latest with proof from trusted site. Go to the Perplexity AI site or app. Type your question in simple English. Wait just a second. Read your answer, check sources. Want more details? Ask question. Just like chatting. For the best result, be specific. Say, who won the IPL 2025 instead of just cricket. If you want proof, type sources. You can ask question for your school, job, news, travel. Perplexity AI is ready to help every time. Perplexity AI uses the latest artificial intelligence to scan live news, government sites, and trusted blog. Every answer is fresh. You can check its sources. Now, you can trust your answers for the study, for your job, and your family important decisions. Next time you have a question, don't waste time on searching everywhere. Try Perplexity AI. Make your life smarter and easier. One answer at a time.